Yeah, we're bringing more Husky to you. Here we go, the 14-inch rolling tool tote bag with the bonus 12-inch bag inside this bad boy. Model number for this, 14Combo12. I'll put a link in the description below. Brought to you by the Home Depot Perspective. Let's get it started. Boys over at Husky stepping up their game. This is basically a soft version of the pack out unit for Husky. Now, if you've been in any Home Depot store lately, especially around the Black Friday timeline, you've probably seen these sitting out in the aisleway. But because you're a Tool Review Zone subscriber, we're bringing it right to you. We're going to let you see what's actually inside this. Check this out. You get another bag. This is the 12-inch bonus bag that comes with this bad boy. I really can't get over how well these things are actually built. If you have a chance, go up and actually fiddle with one of these things. Mess around with it. You'll be surprised on how well they're constructed. Now, both bags combined, you will get a total of 13 storage pockets. You got the bigger one in the front, goes all the way down towards the bottom of the bag. You got the side pockets here, one on the left, one on the right. What about the other side, you ask? Yes, we have them on the other side. You got two on each side that go all the way down towards the bottom of the bag. So on the back here, you also got two little storage holders right here. You can put your screwdrivers, tape measures. Hammer probably won't really fit in there, but you do have them in the back. And you can put a business card or your personal information card right there in case you lose it. So check these out. You can go all the way down in there. Really nice storage area, but check out the inside. Now you got a hard plastic liner going around this whole thing, but you got a pocket on the right there. You got another pocket right there. And on the left, you got two more pockets. Here's what I really like about these bags. You're not just getting a bag and it's going to be flimsy on you and it's not going to stand up. You get a hard plastic case liner around the entire bag. So that way it's going to stand up on you. You don't have to worry about it collapsing or just folding up into a mess. Really, really like that. Now, in case I forget, these do have a 3-year warranty, but check out the zipper. Really heavy duty. Glides real nice and easy. Look how thick that thing is, man. Beastly. Now you do got the rolling wheels on the bottom here. I'll show you that handle and all that good stuff, but they do glide pretty smooth. They're not real large wheels, so you might have a little bit of issue going through really tough terrain, but it is what it is. And then you got that little stand leg right there, so you can put these down and they won't have to worry about falling over on you. Again, here's the handle. Just push that button, pull up. Now you can't lock it halfway. You do have to bring that handle all the way up before you can lock it into place, but it is fairly smooth. And once you do get it to that position, it locks automatically for you. The handle itself, it is longer. You don't have to worry about bending down when you're trying to move this thing around. Check this out. You got the nice Husky logo up here. I'll tell you what, this build is unbelievable. 600 denier water resistant material helps protect the content. So you can splash water on this thing. You don't have to worry about it getting inside. You got those nice Velcro pockets right there in the front. Also holds up to 80 pounds. But if you do mess it up, you got the 3-year limited warranty on it. And if you want to be a manly man, you don't feel like using the telescoping handle or the wheels, you got the handles right here. They are stitched in there. They're not going anywhere for you. It'll take the abuse. All right, let's move on to the 12-inch bag. This is the one we pulled out of the 14-inch bag. Again, a larger front pocket with Velcro. You get the pockets on the side, and you got that little area so you can throw your information in case you lose it. All right, let me show you these pockets on the side. You got one larger one on the left and one larger one on the right. They go all the way down to the bottom of that bag. You got a couple smaller ones right here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Definitely put a lot of different smaller tools in these pockets here. Now, what's nice about this is if you don't feel like taking the larger bag, you just take this smaller one here. You throw a couple tools in there. You go get the job done. You bring it back, and that's it. Let me show you real quick what it looks like on the inside, and then I'll show you what we can do with these two. All right, let's check this out. Again, the zipper heavy duty, real nice and easy gliding, no issues there. Let me show you the inside of this one. All right, so you got two pockets right here. So one on the right, one on the left. Unfortunately, you don't have any other pockets on the inside of this bag. I thought there would be, but nope. Kind of a bummer. But you can throw your drills in there, you can throw your batteries in there, you can throw your screwdrivers or wrenches, whatever you need to put in this bag and take them along with you. Now, FYI, this also has the hard shell case going around the entire bag. That'll help protect it and keep that water out. So, you also have the handles up on top as well if you don't feel like toting this thing around. Pretty nice, but let me show you what we can do with these two things here. We're going to take the telescoping handle, we're going to pull it all the way up. We're going to grab our smaller 12-inch bag, throw it right down over the top. Pachow! There you go. Now you got yourself a roller tote. Bunch of pockets, 13 in total. pretty nice, man. And again, they're not going to start weighing down on you, swishing down on you. You got that hard, nice casing on the inside. You can wheel this thing around wherever you need to take it. And they also look good. Check out all the stitching on these things. I'm telling you, these things are built really heavy duty. I was really surprised, and I didn't know they came with the hard case on the inside of these units. So that's a big surprise, and that's really nice to see. Now, I usually don't talk price when we do the tool reviews, but I will tell you, because it's so good, I'm going to let you know what it is. $49 for this system. And you can also buy a smaller bag to throw on top of the 12-inch, so you can have 3 bags in total. Tell you what, really impressed with these bags. You're not spending hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a pack-out style system. These are the softer bags, and they definitely will hold up. They're built really well. Everything's stitched on them. You got the Velcro pockets. You got the 3-year limited warranty on them. And they glide really nice and smooth, so very impressed with it. Again, I'll put the link in the description below for these. You check them out for yourself. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at toolreviewzone.com. We'll be back with more videos soon.